Hi, what's up everyone? This is Shravan. Welcome to another vlog. This is the continuation of yesterday. As you guys have seen from my previous vlog that I bought the engine oil and other stuff for my bike service, which is a fourth paid service. So till now I almost did like 7 services for my bike. This is the 24,000 kilometer service and it's a major one. I'm going to get my bike checked thoroughly. The spark plug, air filters, fuel filter, everything basically end to end. From tomorrow it's a long weekend. I might go for multiple rides, so I was thinking to do this. The service station is very near to my house only. Popular Bajaj, Banerghatta Road. It's just 2 kilometers, not even 2 kilometers, I think 1.5 kilometers from my house, and it's in walkable distance. I booked an appointment for 9:30 in the morning. So the whole service can be done in 1.5 hours. It won't take much of time. So I already got the engine oil, which costed me around 1200. Motul 10W50 fully synthetic oil. I thought of trying out the 300V, but later I went through some reviews and they were saying like the engine is getting heated up. Basically that oil is meant for race spec machines, not for the regular road machines, or else your bike should be above 500cc or else 650cc, then it will support. We just reached the service station. We'll check if Ramesh is there. Ramesh is the service advisor whom I go with. Sir, Ramesh sir idya? Service sir? Haan, service sir. Service sir? So guys, this is Ramesh. He was my service advisor since last 4 years. I always give my bike to him only. Okay, you just need to replace this oil. And other than that, I just wanted to check my spark plugs. 3 plugs, all 3 plugs. Once check if there is any need of replacement, replace it. And air filter as well. And what we say, that fuel filter. And what is that? Along with oil, anyway, you will change with that. Oil filter will be changed, right? So that one. So these are the basic things which I wanted to be done. Other than that, if you find any other issue, you can just let me know if there is any chance of replacement. I think we already replaced all the disc pads and all. Previously, last time we changed the disc pads, right?
You don't need full servicing? No.
Yeah, we need full service and all. Yeah. So the estimation which Ramesh gave me is around 2,425, which is pretty decent. With the taxes, I think it will go around 2,500. Yeah, this much of expenditure is good only. We'll see. I'm going to wait for some time and then we'll get back our bike. Okay, Ramesh. There is our bike entering the bay. Just now it came from water wash, basically. Now they kept it in the bay. So they removed all the parts. As you guys can see, they removed the tank. The battery is also went for charging. Now they are checking with the air filters, spark plugs and all. Washing is already done. They are removing the fuel tank. We'll see how it goes. I don't want to disturb them while they are working. Once everything is done, I will ask like what all things are taken care. So that's the color of the oil after 4,000 kilometers. You can say it's completely done. Now we are going to replace it with Matu. This is the oil. Now this is getting replaced with this. I opted for coolant replacement as well, so now they are going to drain all the old coolant and the new coolant will be topped up now, because it's been already 24,000 kilometers. I never changed my coolant, so this is what it is going to be. And air filter also, they remove air, they will replace the air filter, or else screen and tape the same. We'll see. Done with the service. They are just testing out the bike. Now the service manager, he is once again doing the PDI before they give it to me. He is checking all around, whether everything is tightened up or not. As you guys can see, he is checking each and every nut and bolt. They are making sure that everything is perfect, because I do lot of long tours, long rides, and also they are making sure that there will not be any issue anywhere. That is the good thing about Popular Bajaj service station here in Bannerghatta. They will check end to end everything before giving it to you. That's the reason I always bring my bike where I trust the most. You can see the PDA itself is taking more than 15-20 minutes. They are making sure each and every part, the mirrors, the hand grips, the accelerator lights, everything are perfect. Now even Ramesh is doing a test ride. So it's altogether 3 people did test ride till now. One the mechanic who worked on it, second the service manager, and now my service advisor Ramesh is also taking a look. These are the parts that got replaced: oil filter O-ring, front disc pads, clutch cable, air filter, fuel filter, the coolant for radiator, protection board, 2 protection boards. I don't know what those are. There might be some additional accessories which might be required. So altogether it costed me around 1112 rupees. These are the charges for the spare parts. When it comes to the labor charges, as you can see, these are the labor charges. The paid services means they are standard, we can't change anything. These are the consumable charges. It's been so long I did a Teflon coating, so I opted for a Teflon coating. This is for radiator removal and fitment charges, battery charging, labor for parts replaced, labor for parts. These two are zero. I don't need to pay any labor for parts replaced and all. So altogether I paid around 2,700 bucks, 1,600 over here and 1,100 over here. So almost 1,700 bucks I paid for my 4th paid service. So we are done here. Now we are leaving. That is Ramesh, Kishore. What's your good name? Sorry? Suhad. And Praveen is there inside here. It feels like brand new again. Whenever I do a service, I will always feel like this basically. But yeah, it's already 24,000 kilometers done, and today there were some unpredicted parts also got replaced. Clutch cable. The clutch cable became very hard and it might break any time. So I changed that as well. Front disc pads are changed, oil filter is changed, fuel filter is changed, air filter is changed. So again, it feels like a brand new machine. It all depends upon how you maintain your bike, buddies. That's it. There is no other trick. It all depends. If it needs to be replaced, any part needs to be replaced, without hesitation, just replace it. End of the day, you will be sitting on the bike and you will be riding it, and we never wanted ourselves to get into trouble, correct? So it's always good to change the parts periodically. I actually requested Ramesh to change the spark plugs as well, but he was convincing me to keep it for another 5,000 kilometers because they have enough life left in them. Then I thought, okay, we'll go with him. Other than that, no other issues. They did full Teflon, 3M Teflon polish. By the time you guys are watching this video, I will be on a ride somewhere, someplace, which you will be knowing on my upcoming vlogs. So yeah, that's it guys. Have a good weekend. This is Shravan signing off. See you in the next vlog. Thank you.